Hello there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is a stock market and option volatility report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only, should not be called and considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Hey, don't forget, there's still time to sign up for our portfolio management class. Go to optionpit.com/masterria, use code CFP300, and we'll take off $300. It's a nice little class, worth the time. Speaking of worth the time, it's worth the time thinking that yesterday was overbought because today is looking a little oversold. They have absolutely come after almost all the gains we made yesterday. Why? Well, Germany, the German Bund is now it's in NIRP. The Bund is in NIRP. Things I never thought I'd say in my life, right? NIRP is short for negative interest rates percentage, so it's got a NIRP, and then Bund is the German bond. So yeah, the Bund is in NIRP because their manufacturing data was a disaster. So if you look at EWG, it's down 2% today. Europe, EFA, which is, kind of a de facto Europe. It also has some other stuff. You can see it's not looking great. Emerging markets don't look hot either. So everything international looks disastrous. Meanwhile, the SPX is down decently big. I think this is overdone. I think it's probably massively overdone. And that is one of the reasons why. The other piece, pointing out the yield curve. Look at the U.S. yield curve here, folks. Go to CME. And I want you to look at where bond prices are. They're all popping. And, let's look at the interest rate on the major notes. And you can see the yield on the 10 years about 2.42. The yield on the 2 year is a little under the euro. That was the euro dollar. I didn't mean to pull that one up. I want the the point is all the short dated products are now higher than the long dated product. So the U.S. yield curve is inverted, but people say that's a recessionary sign, right? The yield curve inverted. Yeah, except for when have we ever had the yield curve invert with the 10-year at 2.4? Normally when the yield curve inverts, the 10-year is at 8 or 12, and the front month goes to 16. Not like this. I don't think this. I honestly don't think this means the same thing as it does in under normal circumstances. I'm actually much more concerned by the German NIRP. German NIRP. Mark, why does your feet smell? Well, I've got a case of German NIRP. So the point is, I think that as bad as things look right now, it's probably a little overdone. We were up 30 yesterday. What happened overnight that scared everybody? That where things have changed this much? It's silliness. I'd be a buyer. Where are we going to find some things to buy? Boeing lost an account. That there's a decent reason it's there, but take a look. It hasn't done anything. Facebook, as bad as the news is starting to recover. Apple still looks really strong. It's going to go to 200. They have their big product announcement Monday. I think I want to buy between now and when that meeting starts, sell the meeting, wait 2 days and buy the stock back, and I think I'm going to make a pretty decent profit on that trade. VIX, I'm going to be looking at VIX fades, VXXB fades. They're both kind of, I think, way overdone today. The VIX futures are making a nasty move, and it doesn't make a lot of. I think it's a little overdone. Nike news: sales are soft. But believe it or not, it has nothing to do with Zion Williamson's shoe explosion. So I think we might look at a Nike entry trade as well. So there's a lot of different trades for us to look at, and I'm looking forward to putting them on. All right, folks, I hope everybody has a great day, a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon.